In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make gradient text in Canva type gradient tutorial. If you've ever wanted eye-catching text that smoothly shifts from one color to another, this is a simple way to do it using Canva's type gradient app. I'll walk you through the process from opening the app to placing the finished gradient text into your design. And I'll share a few tips so your result looks clean and professional. Start by opening a Canva project, either a new design or an existing one. On the left-hand side panel, look for the Apps option and click it. In the search bar that appears, type gradient. Then select the app to open it. This brings up a dedicated panel where you'll build your gradient text without leaving your current design. Inside the app, you'll see a text box. Type the words you want to style. Next, choose your font from the drop-down. It's worth picking a font before you fine-tune colors because gradients read best on clear, bold type. If your brand uses a specific font, search for it here. For long phrases, keep readability in mind. Sometimes a slightly heavier weight makes gradients look smoother and more intentional. Now customize the gradient colors. Click the colored bar to open the gradient editor. You'll notice small circles, called color stops, sitting along the bar. Click a stop to select a color, and add more stops if you want more than 2 shades. You can drag these circles left or right to control how each color blends into the next. For a subtle look, keep colors in a similar family. For a standout effect, use complementary hues. If you are working with brand colors, matching them here helps your design stay consistent. As you tweak, watch the live preview to check legibility. Higher contrast between the text and background generally improves readability. Adjust the direction of the gradient to suit your layout. Use the angle settings to switch between vertical, horizontal, or diagonal looks. A horizontal gradient can feel calm and steady, while a diagonal angle adds motion and energy. Choose what fits your design's mood and the space around your text. Once you are happy with the preview, click Add to Design. Your gradient text will appear directly in your project, ready to use. If you want variations, you can repeat the process with different colors or angles and add those versions as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.